Do you understand English, but freeze when it's your turn to speak? You know the words, you know the grammar, but still, you can't speak fluently? If that sounds like you, then this video might change everything for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fluent English Journey. If you really want to speak English confidently and naturally, then today's video is a must-watch for you. Because today, I'm going to answer 3 very important questions. What is fluency? Why do most learners struggle to become fluent? And how can you finally achieve fluency? First, let's clear a big misunderstanding. What is fluency? Fluency does not mean speaking fast. Fluency does not mean using difficult vocabulary. And fluency definitely does not mean speaking without any mistakes. Fluency simply means speaking smoothly, confidently, and without long pauses. It's about expressing your ideas clearly, even if your English is simple. For example, I am, going, yesterday, no, went, market. I went to the market yesterday. See the difference? It's not about big words, it's about flow. Problems English learners face. Now, let's talk about why most people struggle with fluency. 1. Fear of making mistakes. Many learners think, what if I say something wrong? So they stay silent. But remember, mistakes are part of learning. 2. Thinking in native language. You think in Urdu or Arabic, then translate into English. This slows you down and breaks your flow. 3. Lack of speaking practice. You watch videos, read books, but don't speak. Fluency is a skill, and skills need practice. 4. Over-focus on grammar. You try to make perfect sentences every time. This creates hesitation. Fluency needs speed, not perfection. 5. Low confidence. Even if you know English, you don't trust yourself, and that kills your fluency. How to achieve fluency? Now, the most important part. How can you become fluent? 1. Start speaking daily. Even if it's just 5 to 10 minutes. Talk to yourself, describe your day, or speak in front of a mirror. 2. Think in English. Start small. For example, I am drinking tea. I need to go outside. Train your brain to think in English. 3. Use simple sentences. Don't try to sound advanced. Simple English spoken confidently is better than complex English spoken poorly. 4. Practice shadowing. Listen to native speakers and repeat after them. This improves your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. 5. Don't fear mistakes. Make mistakes. Learn from them. Improve. This is the only real path to fluency. Remember, fluency is not a talent. It's a skill. And any skill can be learned with practice and consistency. You don't need perfect English. You just need the courage to start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fluent English Journey. And comment below. I will speak English daily. Let's grow together, one step at a time.